I have an invitation for you. We've created a photography workshop that's for the greater good, where you learn photography while documenting a humanitarian project. It's a unique opportunity to have a profound experience, help out a good cause, go somewhere cool, make friends, learn so much your brain might actually explode. We're calling it the Profundo workshop, where there will be in-depth classes, in the field one-on-one mentoring, daily critique sessions with top-notch photographers. Imagine how inspired you will be and how good it will feel to be giving back. We're headed to the mountains south of Mexico City, in a beautiful town known for its hippie culture and of course tacos. You eat muchos tacos, all the tacos, más grande tacos. You can bring your partner, you can even bring your kids. We have a photography program for them, ages 10 and up. Como se dice what in Espanol? There's a pool, there'll be cervezas. We are going to climb a pyramid, eat more tacos. There's a party, there's a Mexican sweat lodge, and it's all inclusive, the meals, the lodging, for 3 payments of $500. That's it. Well, except for the hidden cost, which is my humility and my friends, because we're offering that up in this video. All right, I hope this sounds interesting. Please check out our website. We have all the stories and everything about the project, or comment below for more info. If you know anyone who would be interested in this, please send them this video. It's an educational, feel-good adventure that you can write off. You can give and learn at the same time. Let's make our practice priceless. Vámonos! That's it. That's good. Oh, thank you so much.